The AI job market moves fast, so let's get you hired even faster. Day 1. Update your resume with AI buzzwords. Think Python, machine learning, data analysis, whatever matches your skills. Make it concise, results-driven, and tailored for AI roles. Day 2. Optimize your LinkedIn. Add a pro photo, a killer headline, and key projects. Recruiters are searching, make sure you're findable. Day 3. Build a mini portfolio. Share 1, 2 cool projects on GitHub or Kaggle. Even a simple model or data visualization counts. Show, don't just tell. Day 4. Network like crazy. Reach out to 10 people in AI, alumni, recruiters, or pros at your dream companies. Ask for advice, not just a job. Day 5. Apply smart. Target jobs you fit. Use keywords from the job description and write a short personal cover note. Day 6, 7. Practice interview questions. Focus on basic algorithms, real-life scenarios, and be ready to talk through your projects. Day 8. Post something AI-related on LinkedIn. Show you're active in the field. Could be news, your work, or a thoughtful question. Day 9. Follow up on your applications. A polite message goes a long way. Day 10. Celebrate small wins, keep the momentum, and repeat what works. Your AI job is closer than you think. Ready to start your 10-day countdown to an AI job? Let's go.